In today's hyper-connected world, it's never been easier for you to share your personal data with other individuals and organizations, often with just a click of a button. Would you give your passport copy to a stranger? What about your bank account number? What if a service provider requested information about your physical or mental health, your political opinions, or even your investment activities? Don't you think that your personal data should be safeguarded and protected by the businesses you share it with? But what is considered personal data? It's information about you that includes your name, email address, ID, photo, phone numbers, medical records, among other personal details. Data protection means safeguarding an individual's personal data, including how that information is accessed, stored, transferred, disseminated and destroyed by businesses that hold it. Data protection regulations exist to create a balance between privacy rights of individuals and the needs of organizations to utilize data for the purposes of conducting their business. Protecting personal data builds trust and enhances commercial relationships. Abu Dhabi Global Market, Abu Dhabi's international financial center, is committed to the protection of personal data to provide a secure and trusted data privacy operating environment. ADGM has in place data protection regulations based on international best practice. The ADGM Office of Data Protection is responsible for administrating the data protection regulations, including promoting data protection, maintaining the register of data controllers, enforcing the obligations upon data controllers, and upholding the rights of individuals. At ADGM, all companies that process personal data are required to register as a data controller. Data controllers are organizations which control the processing of personal data, which includes the personal data of clients, customers, and employees. Data controllers must not process an individual's personal data without a valid reason. Any personal data held must be kept securely. Data breaches must be reported. At ADGM, individuals have rights when it comes to the processing of their personal data, including to be informed when their personal data is collected, have access to the personal data an entity holds about them, object to processing of their personal data, be forgotten in some cases, rectify out-of-date or incorrect personal data held, and file a complaint if they feel their rights have been violated. At Abu Dhabi Global Market, requiring businesses to protect your personal data is not just an obligation that protects your privacy, it's good business. For more information, visit adgm.com/Office of Data Protection.